Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The DTC U1297 indicates a communication issue between the left side blind spot information BSI radar unit and the right side BSI radar unit in the Honda Accord 2023 and newer models. This communication is vital for the radar units to relay signals regarding blind spots and assist in safe driving. The left side BSI radar unit is responsible for monitoring objects on the left side of the vehicle, while the right side unit does the same for the right side. When either unit cannot receive signals via the beacon network, it identifies this as an abnormality and logs the DTC. Early detection of this code can prevent unsafe driving scenarios and ensure both radar units function correctly. It's crucial to troubleshoot this DTC accurately for maintaining effective blind spot monitoring. The DTC U1297 occurs when the left side BSI radar unit loses communication with the right side BSI radar unit. The left side BSI radar unit is typically located on the rear quarter panel of the Honda Accord, while the right side unit is located on the opposite side. Both radar units use the Body Controller Area Network, BCAN, to exchange signals related to vehicle safety features. If the right side unit fails to start or suffers a power-related issue, it may signal an error and thus store this DTC. The BCAN is a vital communication protocol in Honda vehicles that allows various components to share data relevant to vehicle operations. This ensures that both radar units can effectively monitor blind spots and detect obstacles. There are three primary causes for the DTC U1297, each pointing to potential issues in either the hardware or electrical systems. The first cause is a communication failure between the left and right side BSI radar units, which can stem from a fault in the beacon. Secondly, a failure in the power or ground circuit related to the right side BSI radar unit can inhibit its operation, causing it not to provide signals to the left side unit. Lastly, if the right side BSI radar unit does not start normally, it can trigger this code as the left side would not receive the expected signals. These causes highlight the importance of checking the integrity of connections and circuits before proceeding with further diagnoses. When the DTC U1297 is triggered, various symptoms may emerge that affect the vehicle's performance. A primary symptom is that the blind spot monitoring system may become disabled, meaning the driver will lack warnings about vehicles in adjacent lanes. Additionally, warning lights may illuminate on the dashboard, serving as alerts to the driver that assistance systems are not functioning as intended. Inconsistent radar performance may also be noticed. For instance, the vehicle may fail to detect objects that are actually present in the blind spot or may issue false alerts. These symptoms can contribute to dangerous driving conditions, emphasizing the need for timely diagnosis and repair. For the first troubleshooting step related to DTC U1297, the initial action involves turning the vehicle to the on mode. This step helps initialize the vehicle's electronic systems, including the radar units. After setting the ignition to on, it is essential to wait for a minimum of 5 seconds. This waiting period allows the beacon and radar units to stabilize and properly communicate. If any temporary issues caused by initial power-up are present, this step may help in resolving them. Post-waiting, any error codes can be confirmed and their status reviewed. If the DTC persists, further troubleshooting steps must be taken. The second troubleshooting step for resolving DTC U1297 involves checking the power and ground circuit connecting to the right side BSI radar unit. A disruption in power or grounding can severely impact the unit's operation, leading to communication failures. Inspect the wiring for signs of damage, corrosion, or loose connections. Ensure that the connections at the right side BSI radar unit are secure and clean, allowing for optimal conductivity. Reference the circuit diagram specific to the radar unit to assist with this process. If problems are identified and resolved, recheck for the DTC to see if it reoccurs. If connections are intact, but the issue persists, deeper diagnosis may be warranted. Final repair verification for DTC U1297 involves a series of checks to confirm the successful repair of the detected issues. First, clear the DTC from the diagnostic system to reset the fault memory. Subsequently, test the blind spot monitoring functions to ensure that they are operating correctly and that alerts are provided as intended. It is crucial to verify that both the left and right BSI radar units are communicating effectively. Finally, after testing, monitor the system for a period to check for the reoccurrence of the DTC. Documenting these steps ensures a thorough resolution process, confirming that previous issues have been successfully addressed. Preventive maintenance is key to avoiding reoccurrence of DTC U1297 and ensuring the longevity of the BSI radar systems. Regular inspection of both the left and right radar units should be conducted to check for physical damage or misalignment. Additionally, maintaining clean and secure electrical connections can prevent issues caused by poor conductivity. It's advisable to routinely monitor the overall system performance, including checking for warning lights or alerts from the dashboard. By adopting these preventive measures, the risk of communication failures can be mitigated, thereby enhancing driving safety and reliability of the Honda Accord's blind spot system. In summary, DTC U1297 signifies a communication failure between the left and right BSI radar units, prompting the need for proper diagnostics and repair. Understanding the function of the blind spot information system helps in recognizing the importance of timely responses to such issues. Checking the power and ground circuits should be the first-line action before delving deeper into the diagnostics. Clear steps need to be followed for troubleshooting this DTC, focusing on secure connections and operational efficacy of both radar units. Regular preventive maintenance can avert future occurrences, ensuring the reliability of the radar systems. Ultimately, remaining informed and proactive in addressing issues is crucial for safe vehicle operation. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time!